Hey, little boo-boo. How you doing, mister? You upset your daddy hasn't mowed the trail? That's okay. Busy body, huh? Mm-hmm. You want to go for a walk back here? I'll stick to this one since there's less stuff in the way, huh? Does that sound okay? Okay. It's about dinner time for you. A little past dinner time. Yeah. But I guess he wants to go on a woods walk instead. There he comes. Oh, I think he just wants to chill. Then chill we shall. Ooh, what a good baby. You want to come inside and get some food, Mr. Boo-Boo? That sounds good to me, too. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Plus, I'm in my work clothes. I shouldn't be out here too long. No. No. Did you do anything cool today? Yeah? That's a lot. Mm-hmm. Yes, what a good baby. Yeah. Well, you want to proceed? Maybe we'll just go up and then down the hill. I'm feeling he's going to lay down again pretty soon. What's that? Looks like a mummy nose. Oh, it's just a nut. Ew, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, it's the guts of something. Is that from you? Did you tear that out of an animal? Oh, yeah, I bet you did. Come on. Gross. I wouldn't have shown that if I knew what that was. Nasty. Well, let's not point a finger. Who really knows who did that? Well, I hear a puppy. Did you hear a puppy too, Mr. Boo-Boo? Yeah? Whose dog is that? We don't have a puppy. No. Because I don't even think about getting one either. No. Yeah. Mm-hmm. It's quite a talkative kitty today, huh? Yeah? All right, we'll go up the hill now. Ooh. Just trying not to step on the baby. He's getting all angry at me. Yeah. Oh, come here, mister. Oh. Well, hello there. Look at the sunset up there. Yeah. Want to head back now? Want to head back to the house? Yeah. All right. Come on, let's go back down. Or you stay up here too if you want to. Oh. You hear something? It's a doggy. Yeah. Don't know how long they've been outside, but they've been barking for a little while, huh? Yeah. Oh, he's just gonna chill. That's quite all right. Yeah. You come inside and we want some food, okay, mister? We'll get some for you. Daddy's got to get some food himself, you know. So I'm gonna head that way. You come over whenever you're ready, okay? I don't think he really wants to go on a walk. No, he's been outside most of the day, I think. Whoa, there we go. All right, Daddy's gonna descend the hill now, okay? You're just gonna stay there? All right. Whoa, I almost slipped. All right, you be a good little boo-boo bear, okay? Thank you for watching, everybody, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye. Whoa! He's a fast boy, huh? Yes, you are. Let's go back inside. Come on, come on. Mama's waiting for you inside, Mr. Boo-Boo, you know? Yeah. Come on. Here he comes. Almost home, mister. Almost there. Looks like he's found his little resting spot for now. Yeah. Look who's inside now. It's way cooler in here, isn't it, little boo-boo? Yeah, mm-hmm. Well, thanks again for watching, everybody. We'll talk to you later. Oh, Cinnabon's not done yet, you know? Checking his mama out. Mm-hmm. Bye-bye. We're chilling on the couch now, ain't we, buddy? Yeah.